If someone can pay me 3 million naira per step, I want to do a minimum of 1,000 steps. Minimum. You cannot contract me for less than 1,000 steps. After 1,000 steps, I'll go to my house. So my charge for the work is 3 million thousand naira. What is 3 million thousand? That's 30 billion. How many billion be that? That's some serious billions. I don't know the maths. I'm lost here. But 3 million per step. Minimum of 1,000 steps. I can do more. I can even do 5,000 steps. Trust me. Move fit. Fitness. Emotion. Governor, look at this. Look at my fitness. I can walk for 2 days. But 3 million per step. 3 million per step. What's going on here? Who be Mugu? Una see why these people are crazy. You know, and let me say this. This is not only to Governor Sanwo-Olu. This is not only to Governor Sanwo-Olu. This is also to all my colleagues. This is also to all my colleagues. Also, all my celebrity friends, journalists, NGO people, fellow comrades, when there is work to share money, when there's money floating around, nobody calls me. I know they hear one kind call. But as soon as one kind ishe karakara ti osowo, as long as one kind yes work don't come out, maybe say they go give people shishi. Maybe say that just go suffer for there. They do a luta time to yab the government. Now that time, you know, I can't remember say she would exist. Let me warn all of you and this governor. Don't ever. If you are not calling me when you are sharing money, stop calling me when there's no money for stupid work. Imagine this nonsense. Lagos State government do New Year show in the beginning of the year. I'm going to count all Lagos State government show. Lagos State government do New Year show. They don't call me. They do the show where they bring in the new year. They don't call me. Easter show. They don't call me. Okay, I understand. Maybe all this show na festivity show. Shehu is too political, so festive period. They feel no need Shehu. They do Independence Day show. They do Democracy Day show. They do June 12th show. All these are political. They don't call me. I dey my house. Hungry, they fire me. Hungry, they fire me. Now, they can't call me, say me I can't walk. Not be food I go chop for my belly first before I waka. They all the artists when they call, all the artists when they call for their show, they don't call invite anyone for the work. Thunder must fire somebody. I don't know who it is, but Thunder must fire somebody for Alausa. Somebody is receiving thunder. Somebody. Oh, Sharababa. The ancestors, please. Send thunder. Send thunder. This is a walk of shame. This is a walk of shame, you know. The answer be Kamari Kotoma Doju Tini. Kamari Kotoma Doju Tini. This is why politics without ideology is not. You expose yourself as a spineless man. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain to you what Sanwo-Olu is doing. If you now follow this whole Lekki thing, judicial panel of inquiry, NSAS protest, if you now follow which I know they talk from the beginning, what thing they happen here now? What thing they happen here now is proving me right. It's proving me right. The first thing say, I tell us someone no protest. Let's organize ourselves to take power from these people. So you see, because we are not organized, because we're not organized, the guilty, the criminal, the criminal now is the one judging himself, right? Now he creates inquiry, judge himself. Now the inquiry when he creates, find him guilty. He find himself guilty. Now he's in a position where he must also punish himself. You realize why everything needs to be like this. Now the criminal judge himself. Now the criminal find himself guilty. Now the criminal need to punish himself. How does one punish oneself? How does one punish oneself? Me, I know say it's impossible for someone to say he resign. Me, I know say it's impossible for someone to say he resign. It's impossible. And me, I don't even expect him to talk say he resign. I expect her to talk say he go step down after in first term. You see, if someone who talk today say with everything will happen under Sanwo-Olu's leadership, too many people have lost their lives. Negligence. I am charging him with negligence. I'm charging him with negligence. Negligence that led to loss of life. So for that reason, I feel say, because now what he really guilty of be that. So he should say to people, I will step down after my first term. Say, I don't see say this work of Lagos State pass me. I will step down after my first term. No, nothing like that. Nothing like that. We are just going to jump straight to peace. We're going to give peace a chance. Well, it's obvious Nigerian people are not interested in your peace. They are interested in justice. I don't say many of Nafino watch my show for channels just now, the interview where I give. But it's important say I say this. They say, Seun, why you know they support say many people enter street, go protest, go fight. Seun, why you need to do this? And I always tell people, say me, I prefer me people organize. Because with organization means we become more dialogical with each other. More dialogical. Now we'll talk to ourselves. Right? We'll talk to ourselves. This government never wants to talk to people. We the people no reach who they fit talk to. You know, because why Sanwo-Olu go announce my name for TV without consulting me first? Shey me I fit invite Sanwo-Olu to my event without telling him first? Shey I fit say MOP is doing and we tell the governor to come and expect him to be there? They go say, I don't sabi how things be. How can you? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? I'm 30, I'll be 39 years in January. You don't understand? I'll be 39 years in January. So I know be small picking, right? I get daughter, I get wife. I employ about 20 people all over this world, full time, that work for me, full time. 20 people, fam. Not only in Nigeria, you get ones where they pay dollars, you get ones where they pay pounds, you get ones where they pay euro. All over the world. 20 staff full time in my pocket, minus the hangers on, no, minus the responsibilities. But you know, if you call me to know whether I one day involved in your peace work, to know whether I one day involved with your plan, to know one day I am the pro tem chairman of MOP, another aspiring political party. I am building a political party. You as governor, you did another political party. You know, there's no, where's the respect? Over 1 million, pro tem chairman MOP, le pay me lórí phone, announce who called me. I'm the pro tem chairman of the movement of the people. It might mean nothing to you people, but it means everything to me. So I go leave my party, come go dey work out with the governor of another party. If you call the chairman of PDP, why you not call chairman of PDP? May come follow you do work. If I war me, if I war MOP, movement of the people, mop that is coming to mop everywhere clean. If I war me, number one, that's the first mistake. I am a party, pro tem chairman of a party to be. The movement of the people. You can call anybody you like that. But you see me, you go write official letter to my party. I go write official letter. When you write the official letter, then me and my party will deliberate on the issue. We will not come and have meeting with you. Demand certain concessions from you on the behalf of the people. The people that want the community. And before I could say that community, you remember, say some people from the community went to testify at the panel that witnessed the shooting. The governor said they go demolish that community. We will negotiate for you to return that people to their home, those people to their homes first. There has to be negotiation. You will dialogue with your people. If you want to make us representative of the people, then do it properly. Simple. Sanwo-Olu no fit win second term for Lagos State. Let me teach you people the politics of what is going on, because in future they go say they call for peace. They call for peace, we reject. They say we reject peace, but this is not peace. You understand? This one are like when person blow you, don't do somebody anything, or he come, he scatter your eye with blow. When you want to come fight her now, they come, oh, you say, may you no vex, may you no vex, may you not talk peace. This that kind of